Let's explore CSV parsing using regular expressions. This presentation will cover understanding the capabilities and limitations of using regular expressions, or regex, to parse comma-separated values. So, what exactly is CSV format? Comma-separated values, or CSV, is a simple file format where data values are separated by commas, with each line representing a record. Here's an example. Notice that each value is separated by a comma and each line represents a row or record, such as name, age, and city. The subsequent lines contain the specific values for each of those categories. Let's start with a basic regex approach to parsing CSV data. A simple pattern to achieve this is shown here. The pattern is open square bracket, caret, comma, close square bracket, plus. This regular expression means match one or more characters that are not commas. Below is a Python implementation. We first import the re module for regular expressions. The function parse CSV basic takes a line of CSV as input. The pattern we defined earlier is used to find all non-comma separated values using the re-findAll function, and this is then returned. Below is an example usage. The data variable contains a CSV string. The result variable stores the result of the parse CSV basic function when the data variable is passed to it. A challenge arises when we need to handle quoted fields in CSV data. Consider the example shown here. The bio field contains commas within the string and is therefore enclosed in quotes. To handle this, we can use an enhanced regex pattern. The enhanced pattern is quote, open parentheses, open square bracket, caret, quote, close square bracket, asterisk, close parentheses, quote, vertical bar, open square bracket, caret, comma, close square bracket, plus. This pattern allows for fields to be enclosed in quotes, or not. Essentially, it matches either the characters inside quotes, or characters that are not commas. Here's a complete Python implementation that handles quoted fields. We import the re module for regular expressions. The function parse CSV line takes a line of CSV as input. The pattern we defined in the previous slide is used to find all quoted or non-comma separated values using the re-findAll function. The result is a list comprehension that goes through all of the matches, and if there's a value in the first group, it uses it. Otherwise, it uses the second group and strips any leading or trailing white space. Below is an example usage. The CSV line variable contains a CSV string with quoted values. The result variable stores the result of the parse CSV line function when the CSV line variable is passed to it. Let's test the implementation with a few test cases. The first test case is basic CSV with John 25 NYC. The second test case involves quoted fields with Jane Software Engineer LA. The third test case includes a comma within the quotes with Bob, Data Scientist, ML, SF. The results of parsing these lines are as follows. For the first line, we get a list of John 25 NYC. For the second line, we get a list of Jane, Software Engineer, LA. For the third line, we get a list of Bob, Data Scientist, ML, SF. While regex can be useful for simple CSV parsing, it has several limitations. Key issues include escape quotes within fields, multiline records, complex CSV variations, and edge cases and malformed data. Consider this problematic example. Notice that the quote field has escaped quotes within the string. Regular expressions struggle with escaped quotes and nested structures. When should you use regular expressions for CSV parsing, and when should you look for better alternatives? Regular expressions can be useful for simple CSV structures, quick prototypes, and educational purposes. However, it's not suitable for production systems or complex CSV files. A better alternative is to use Python's built-in CSV module. Here's an example of how to use the CSV module. First, we import the CSV module. Then we open the data.csv file. We then create a CSV reader object using the csv.reader function. Finally, we iterate through each row in the reader object and print the row. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.